Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I will be showing you how to change Facebook page name. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device, open up the Facebook application. After that, make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, now switch your Facebook account to your Facebook page. For that, tap on the three-line icon from the upper right corner. And from your profile name at this interface, switch to your Facebook page. Once you switch to your Facebook page and land on your page home page, now tap on the profile icon of your page with the three line from the upper right corner. You will land on this menu page, and again under that same section tap on settings icon. Now on the page, tap on page settings. Again under personal information, tap on name. Here you will see your page name. And there is a small note that says if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So after 60 days only you will again be able to change your name, but within that period of time you won't be able to change your name again. So with that on your mind, change your page name right here. And once you're done, tap on review change. And on this page you will get preview of your name, your current page and then your new page. Now in order to save these settings, enter your Facebook password just above the option that says save changes. Once you're done, tap on save changes, and with that your name has been changed. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, remember to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.